Yes, welcome back, guys, to this session. Please tell me, guys, am I audible to you or not? Tell me, guys, am I audible to you? Yes, Abhi, good evening. Okay, let us start the session, guys. Yes, sorry for the delay, guys. Neeraj, good evening. Ayushi, good evening. Sorry for the delay, guys. Actually, some network error issue was there, stream problem was there. That's why the class got delayed by half an hour. Sorry for the inconvenience caused. Let us start, guys. This is the second session of Tom. Let us see some good questions as per the level of your examination, Vizag. This type of question you will be having because you need to solve one question in 1 minute in Vizag. So according to that, the questions level will be, even it is not a big deal if you get the same questions as it is, which we are discussing here, as this was there in NLC examination. So you can expect the same question also. Yes, guys. Yes, fine. Shubham, good evening, dear. Yes, Gangadhar, very good evening. So, guys, please solve this question. Please solve this question. Which one of the following pairs is correctly matched? Governors interference, gears hunting, cleans construction, acceleration of piston, cam with pinion. Yes, guys. Very good. Sarathi, Neeraj, Abhi, Shubham, Venkatesh, Vishal, good evening. Yes, Gangadhar, Sarvan, all of you have answered. Gangadhar, I feel you need to check the answer. All others are already correct. Sarvan, yes, you are correct. So, guys, the answer is C. When we are talking about for governors, hunting term is there. Hunting is there in governors. For gears, interference term is there. Yes, pinion is also there in gears. In cam, there is no pinion. Even interference is there in cam also. In cam also interference is there. Yes, but guys, cleans construction is used to find out velocity and acceleration for single slider crank mechanism. Very nice, guys. Very nice. Yes, Rishabh, Vishal. Let us see the next question, guys. This will be only the level of Vizag, guys. Even some of the numericals I am adding to improve to increase the level. Okay, guys. Next question. Which of the following pair is not correctly matched? Lewis equation beam strength, 4-bar mechanism Greshoff's linkage, screw pair 2 degree of freedom, cam and follower pressure angle. Yes, guys. Sarthi Sanjeet, okay, you have answered it. Let us see it is correct or wrong. Yes, guys, and once again, sorry for the delay. Yes, Shivani, okay, Neeraj is saying C, Rishabh is saying A. Okay, guys, so please share this session with others also, guys, and please like this session also. Okay, fine. So many of you are answering it. Okay, some are saying C, some are saying A. Okay, actually, this question is having one portion from machine design also. Very good, Shubham. Shubham Gangwar. So, guys, when we talk about this question, Lewis equation, beam strength, this you study in the design of gear. design of gears. You study this in design of gears, and how you study I am telling you for that also. You study in gear, then you write their service factor, velocity factor, and then Ft actual is less than equals to, or Ft static I must say, it is equals to, less than equals to Bmy sigma b permissible. This equation is known as beam strength equation for design of gears. So it is also given by Lewis, so known as Lewis equation. So guys, no doubt about that, A is correct. Means A is correctly matched. 4-bar linkage is attached with Gradeup because Gradeup have given the inversions of single 4-bar mechanisms. What are the inversion? Double crank, okay, crank rocker and double rocker. So Gradeup told when you will be getting which kind of mechanism. Then cam and follower, yes, pressure angle is there in cam and follower. You know, if this is a cam, this is a follower, then when you see the pressure angle, basically there is a direction of velocity and there is a common normal to both the cam and follower. This angle between these two is known as pressure angle. But when you see screw pair, the degree of freedom for screw pair is 1. So this is not correctly matched. C is the answer. So guys, when we say screw pair, in screw pair, degree of freedom is not 2, degree of freedom is 1. Generally students have misconception. Why? Because when we have a nut bolt connection, basically, so in the nut bolt connection, there are two types of motion. You know, it is rotating as well as it is translating. But both the motions are dependent on each other. How? One complete revolution will give you one pitch distance. That is the reason why this is considered to be 1 degree of freedom. Motions are 2, but they independently are 1 only. So that's the reason majorly. Okay, fine guys. I am giving so much explanation so that you can answer in the future if something else is asked nearby. Yes, very good. Rajat, Jay, Shubham, Venkatesh, Ajit Jha, Junaid Ali. Very nice. Let us see the next question. Yes, guys. The most common type of cam and follower used in aircraft engine is it spherical, knife edge, roller or mushroom? Please answer it, guys. It is a good question. This type of application based questions are more asked in public sector's paper. Even whenever you see the previous years, you will find this thing. Yes, guys, waiting for your answer. Okay, already Harsh have answered it. Very good, Harsh. Yes, very good. Okay, Shubham is saying A, Gangadhar is saying B. Okay, guys, please all of you answer. All of you answer. All of you answer. Yes, very good, guys. Neeraj is saying A, Kanan is saying A, C, Shubham is saying A, Gangadhar B, Karthik C, Venkatesh C, Ajit Jha C, Parth C, Sarvan Kajle C, Shubham is saying C. Yes, dear, C is correct. Dear, roller follower is used for big aircraft engines and big gas engines. Okay, this is used for these. And when I am saying it is used for these types of engine, because roller required 3-dimensional space, which initially was not available with the automobiles. But automobiles IC engine, when we are talking about nowadays, we have modified them in a way that roller followers are used nowadays in that also. Yes, Vishal Kakade, C is correct. Okay guys, and mushroom follower is the name associated with the flat face follower when circular cross section is used. Okay, fine guys, very nice. This is match the following type of question. I have not written the options here. Yes, guys, all of you, majority are correct only. So your preparations are up to the marks. Yes, guys. So please share this session with your friends. Kanan, I said that spherical. Okay, spherical basically when you are talking about spherical phase follower was used for IC engine at that time. But nowadays we are using roller follower. Okay, roller follower basically is this one. And this follower is basically having, as you know that, because whenever follower and cam will be there, when you see this correction, as this roller is having pure rolling motion with respect to this point, so the friction becomes rolling friction, or you can say rolling friction is nearly static friction. Static friction is, you know that it is very less as compared to kinetic friction in general. So due to static friction, wear with this kind of follower will be lesser. When you are telling about the spherical phase follower is like this. Okay, so with spherical phase follower and roller followers are best because here friction is static. Here the friction will be kinetic, and kinetic friction is the maximum value of the static friction. That is the major issue. Okay, guys, yes, that's the issue. Hope you got it now. Kanan, you got it or not? Fine. Okay. So here also many of students have answered 3421, 3421. Very good, guys. So 3421 is the answer given by many of the students. Very nice, guys. 3412 you have said. Let us match this. Very good, guys. Great. Yes. Yes, guys. Very good. Cam and follower. Yes, pressure angle is related to that. Screw pair degree of freedom is 1. 4-bar mechanism is Grubler's criteria, and degree of freedom of planar mechanism is Gradeup linkage. Is it correct? No. Basically, Grubler's criteria, it will be 3, 4, 2, 1. 4-bar mechanism is linked with Gradeup, and degree of freedom will be for Grubler's, because F is equals to 3L minus 1 minus 2J minus H. This is known as Kurzbach equation. If you put higher pair to be 0, degree of freedom to be 1, it becomes Grubler's equation. So guys, Grubler's criteria is nothing but 3L minus 1 minus 2J minus H minus 1, higher pair is 0, okay, is equals to 0. It will become 3L minus 2J minus 4 is equals to 0. So this is valid for all planar mechanisms. Okay, guys, so you have done some mistake. It will be 3, 4, 2, 1. Some of you are correct also. Some of you are wrong also. Okay, majority of you are correct only. Fine, guys. Very nice. Next, identify the nature of motion in the cam and follower system that leads to the lowest jerk. Yes, guys, please answer it. Very nice, guys. And thanks for joining, guys. Once again, I will say sorry for the late starting of the session. The reason is because some network problem was there, not from my end. Basically, the error was related to the keys. Okay, so sometimes from the server the problem is there. So sorry for the delay once again. Yes, Shivani, very good. Avinash, Parth, Ajit, Neeraj, Govardhan. Yes, Ramji, Ramesh, Shubham. Very good. All of you have answered. Neha Arora. Very good. All of you have answered. And guys, the answer is cycloidal. Uniform velocity motion have 8 times jerk becomes infinite in one cycle. In simple harmonic, it becomes 4 times infinite. Okay, in parabolic constant acceleration, 6 times it becomes infinite. But in cycloidal, jerk never becomes infinite. So cycloidal is the correct answer. Very nice, guys. Let us see the next question. Pitch point on a cam is. And guys, I would like to inform you that tomorrow we are having a session on machine design for the same Vizag at the same time 8 p.m. Tomorrow no session on app. This will be only on YouTube because multi is creating problem. That's why we will be having session on YouTube only now. Okay, fine guys, please answer this. I feel here the options are not correct. This is the correct question. Pitch point on a cam is. Sorry guys, this question is correct. Pitch point on a cam is any point on pitch curve, any point on pitch circle, the point on pitch curve having the maximum pressure angle, none of these. Very good, Daniel. Yes, good, Sarvan. Good, Shivani. Govardhan. Shubham, sorry, your answer is not correct. Now it is correct, fine. Shweta, very nice. Mani, very nice. All of you, very good. Very good, guys. The answer is C. If I tell you that this is basically your cam, and if I say that this is your roller follower, when the motion goes, pressure angle varies. So, as you know, if we make the cam, oh sorry, pitch curve, this is the pitch curve. Pitch curve is the locus of the trace point when the concept of kinematic inversion is used. So let us say when this cam and follower motion will go on, the point correspond to the maximum pressure angle as these two, let us say. So if at corresponding to these 2 points we are getting maximum pressure angle. If corresponding to these 2 points we are having maximum pressure angle. So when you will be taking cam center as center and taking this pitch point to be radius, and you will be joining a circle, you will be making a circle, then this circle whenever you will be plotting is pitch circle, and the point on the pitch circle where the pressure angle is maximum are known as pitch point. Okay, pitch point may be more than one, but pitch circle is always one only. So C will be the correct answer, guys. Very nice, guys, to all of you. This is the question from gears. This time some calculation is involved. These types of question we are taking on safer side. Very less chances that the numerical of this type will come, but very small calculations are there. In the gear train, shown below, the number of rotation of gear 6 for one revolution of gear 1 clockwise is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a simple gear train. For simple gear train, you know that omega 1 by omega 6 speed ratio will be T6 by T1. Simply, it is very simple. So omega 1 by omega 6 is equals to N1 by N6, T6 by T1. T6 is 80, T1 is 20. It will be coming out to be 4. Now you tell me what will be your answer. The answer is, sorry, options are 1 by 4, 4, yes guys. So guys, please like the session and please share with your friends so that others can also be benefited from this. Okay, Parth. Okay, Ramesh. Okay, fine. All others guys, I am waiting for your response. Neeraj is saying C. Fine. Parth is saying 0.25. Fine. Some are saying 4, some are saying 1 by 4. So guys, you need to find out the omega 6. Omega 6 is nothing but 4 times omega 1, or n6 is nothing but 4 times of n1. It will be 4. So answer will be, now you need to see clockwise or anti-clockwise. It is given clockwise. So for this it will be anti-clockwise. For anti-clockwise it will be clockwise, and for this it will be anti-clockwise. For this it will be clockwise. For this it will be anti-clockwise. C is correct. Very nice guys. Most of you are correct. They have given round 1 revolution for gear 1. You need to find out revolutions for gear 6. Very nice guys. Fine. Some of you are correct. Some of you are wrong. This is the question. For the compound gear train as shown in the figure below, in which gear B and C and gear D and E are compound gear, the train value is. Yes, C hoga, definitely. Dear, N1 by N6 will be T6 by T1. So if you see, the number of teeth in 6 are 80. Number of teeth, okay, 1 second, I need to check it. Number of teeth in 1 is 20. It is coming out to be 4. So N1 by N6 is coming out to be 4. So N1 will be 4 times N6. Okay, sorry guys. It will be N1 by 4. So 1 by 4 will be correct answer. Sorry. Yes, 1 by 4 will be correct answer. Sorry guys. Sometimes mistakes are there. These kind of mistakes only occurs when we are not very attentive. But guys, I am not going to give exam. You are going to give exam. So calculation you need to take care of. Fine path. Sorry guys. Sometimes mistake happens. You need to work over it. Next question. For the compound gear train as shown in the figure, now you need to find out train value. Train value is 1 upon speed ratio. And speed ratio was driver by driven. So here A is driver, F is driven. So it will be N F by NA. So speed ratio is N driver by N driven. Train value N driven N driver. Yes guys, but this is not a simple gear train, this is a compound gear train. So here the formula will be, you know, that driven by driver, product like that we know. For speed ratio we do. Here we need to go for train value. You know that if driver and driven we just distribute, A will be driver and B will be driven, C will be driver and D will be driven, E is not connected with any of the thing, so D will be driver, F will be driven. Okay guys, so you know that for compound gear train, when we find out the speed ratio is found out to be, if it is going to be N driver NA by NF, it would be driven by driver, the number of teeth product of driven by driver. So number of teeth of driven is TB, TD, TF by TA, TC, TD. TD will get cancel out. TB and TF guys, TB is 60, TF is 50 and TA is 30, TC is 25. It will be 4. So train value will be 1 by 4. Train value will be 0.25. Yes, very good guys. Many of you have done it correctly. Fine, fine, fine. Very good, guys. This is a reverted gear train now. This is a reverted gear train now. Solve this question, guys. I am waiting for your response. And this type of questions are very common in all the exams nowadays. Yes, guys. In the coaxial reverted gear train shown below, all the gears have same module. MA, MB, MC, MD is M. The number of teeths 30, 60, 20. Find out the number of teeths in TD. Yes, Gautam. Parth is saying C. Kanan is saying C. Ramesh Mohan, hi dear. Shivani is saying 70. So all of you are giving the right answer. Yes, yes, Harsh. Very nice. This is the concept you need to use. Yes, very nice. Now I am giving the hint for others. Dear, center distance for both A and B gear will be this and C and D gear will be this. And they are nearly equal. So you will be writing RA plus RB. RC plus RD. And you know that module is given as D by T. It is 2R by T. So R will be MT by 2. It is MA TA by 2. MB TB by 2. So 2 will get cancelled out, module will get cancelled out because they are equal now. Now number of teeth in A is given as 60 plus B is 30, 20 plus TD. So TD will be 70. Answer will be C. Very nice, guys. Okay, fine. Ramesh Mohan, yes, fine. M is given same. Otherwise, it is correct that MA will be equals to MB. It is correct that MC will be equals to MD. Okay. Ramesh Mohan, actually what happened is due to some multi-stream problem, because this session was on app as well as on YouTube. So because of the multi-stream reason, it was having some issue. So because of that, this session got delayed. Okay. Now it is on YouTube only. Okay, the natural frequency for this case, guys. Now we are having the questions from vibrations. Now we are having questions from vibration. The first question. What do you feel? What will be the answer here? Yes. Yes, very good. Jani Peli. Ramji, fine. It's correct. Very good. Fine. Yes, Ramji, Shivani, your answers are correct. Ramesh Mohan, fine. Arbaz, Shubham, yes, Neha, Gangadhar, fine. Sarvan, Neeraj, very nice, guys. All of you are correct. C is going to be the correct answer. Natural frequency of vibration will be K upon M. It is independent of alpha. Why? Because the direction of this restoring force and inertia force, they are in same direction. So equation will be mx double dot plus kx is equals to 0. Simply the answer will be root k by m. Very good, Prasad. This is a good question, guys. This time the question is from a cantilever beam where there is a mass at the fixed end. Please try to solve this. Here you need to apply static deflection of mass method, which is also known as relay method. Static deflection of mass method. Or relay method. Good evening, Arun. Yes, fine, guys. Apply relay method to solve this question. Relay method is more important for these kind of examinations as well as for GATE also. Because here all type of questions can be framed by different datas. Very nice, Harsh. You need to use G is equals, omega n will be square root of G by delta naught. Okay, very nice, guys. Fine. Okay, Ramesh Mon, Kanan, Arbaz, Ramji, Shivani, Parth, Shubham, Sarvan, your answer is different than all of others. Kanan also have different answer. Okay, Ajit, Neha. Guys, we will check it. Don't worry. So I am telling you how to solve this kind of question. Let us say you are having, if there is a mass, you need to find out the static deflection of mass. Means deflection of this mass without any external disturbance. So you know, if we apply a force P over the free end of a cantilever, then this cantilever beam get deflected and the deflection at A will be coming out to be PL cube upon 3 EI. This is the deflection at A. So when deflection at A is PL cube upon 3 EI. So guys, here in place of P we are having a weight of this mass M. So P can be put it equals to mg. So this static deflection of mass is nothing but deflection at A. That will be mg L cube upon 3 EI. So you will be having the omega n to be equals to G upon delta naught. Putting the value, like this. So 3 EI upon ml cube. This is natural frequency. Yes, I feel B is correct. Fine. This is from series and parallel connection. Arun, but the question is not related to slope and deflection. Satish, good evening, dear. The question is not related to the slope and deflection. It was related to something else. Here it is, these two are in parallel and this is in series. These two are in parallel means K2 plus K3. And then you know 1 by K equivalent will be, yes, you need to answer the natural frequency. because these two are in parallel and then they are in series with K1. Fine guys, waiting for your reply. This time you will be finding out first of all omega, and that is K equivalent upon M. Then Fn can be calculated as 1 upon 2 pi K equivalent upon M. Good guys, solve this question. Yes, fine guys. All of you guys are saying A. The answer is A. 1.965. Very nice guys. Let us move further then. Damping resistance means damping force in viscous damping is directly proportional to. Very good Ramji, Kanan, Ansh, Parth, Shubham, Neha, Ramesh Mon. Very nice. You all are correct. Yes, guys. Very good, Neeraj. Fine. Okay, Kanan, Neha, Ajit. Fine. Mani, Ansh. Okay. Dear, spring force is directly proportional to displacement. Damping force is directly proportional to velocity. Mind it. So it is going to be A. Okay, guys. Yes, answer will be A. Hope you guys have learned something new, guys. Fine. Very nice. And guys, tomorrow's session will be only on YouTube, and that's why basically previous sessions were on both YouTube and app. That's why the problem were coming. Now as the session will be on YouTube only, you can expect it will be sharply started at 7 a.m. only. Sorry, not 7 a.m., 7 p.m. only. And guys, soon we are going to restart, or you can say resume the crash course also. Okay. And I feel I will be continuing the crash course from theory of machines. And I will be announcing the date tomorrow to you, that from which date crash course will be once again resuming. We have already done 2 to 3 subjects in crash course for GATE 2021. And soon we will be giving you a surprise also to you guys at New Year. Very nice, guys. This time you need to answer about logarithmic decremental ratio or logarithmic decrement. Delta is ln xn upon xn plus 1. It is 2 pi zeta D is correct. This is a good question, guys. Here you need to find out the value of damping factor zeta. It is C by 2 root Sm. For that, S you need to find out. S equivalent is nothing but K equivalent. which will be found out as 1 by k equivalent as they are in series 1 by k1 plus 1 by k2. Here also C equivalent will come. So 1 by C equivalent will be 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. So S equivalent and mass is already known to you. Find out the zeta. This type of questions will also not expected in the paper in general. One or two such questions may come because here again calculators and more calculations are required, which is not good for 1 mark question. Yes guys, please solve it. Okay, fine. Yes guys, waiting for your answers. Thanks gaming. Nahi bhai, this will not be Shubham, this will not be solved without calculation. That's why I said this kind of questions you can ignore. But I am doing 1-2 questions because they in general ask 1-2 question like that to give you tension. And why I have taken so that you can conclude that these questions must be attempted in the last. When you see such kind of question where you feel time will be required, go for such kind of questions in the last. Okay, fine. Ramji is giving the answer to be 0.2476. Parth is also giving the right answer. Very good. Money, you need to check it again. Yes, Neha Arora, your answer is correct. Fine. And guys, if any of you want to refresh or learn some new concept from the theory of machines, you can join my previous year's, sorry, not previous year's, my GATE sessions, which will be restarted or resumed crash course batch. That will be free only. Yes, dear, you can attempt them in the last. Ramesh Mohan, please check your answer. And guys, I would like to tell you, all of you who are not on Gradeup app, please download the Gradeup app and follow me there. Tomorrow, sorry, not tomorrow, day after tomorrow at 7 p.m. I am going to start a series there with the name of trusses and frames. If you really want to learn the concept of trusses and frame, any of the examination, they ask that chapter. I will be making you prepare for that. I will be teaching from basic. 4 classes will be there from 7 to 8 p.m. daily from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And in 4 classes, your 2 marks will be secured in those classes. You can please join and you can also inform to your friends. 7 p.m. Thursday to Sunday, Gradeup app. And guys, one by one, I will be taking all the topics of engineering mechanics. Engineering mechanics is the subject which is generally weak for the students. So one by one, before your GATE exam, I will be finishing the engineering mechanics. You can join me there and you will be in love with the subject. That's my promise. So many of you have already answered it. Some are saying D, some are saying C. So I would like to tell you guys, critical speed of a rotating shaft. You know, omega critical is nothing but the natural frequency of vibration, which is square root of K by M. So it depends upon K and M, mass and stiffness, A and V. So the answer will be C because it is an MCQ. If it would have been an MSQ, then ABC will be correct. C is the answer. This type of question you can more expect for Vizag. Here you need to tell me the type of forces, which type of force ABC are. And it is already mentioned that the given figure depicts a vector diagram of forces. This kind of diagram is also known as phase diagram. And displacement in the case of force and vibration, if the vector A represent the forcing function P, vector B represent x sine omega t, vector C and D represents what from this. So dear, when we make the phase diagram, if this force is F naught and this is making omega t, then omega t minus phi is made by ma omega square. Spring force is always opposite to the inertia force, and damping force is always 90 degree to inertia and spring force. So from that you can say this angle is phi. So if this angle is already given phi, it means B vector is nothing but ma omega square. 90 degree to ma omega square is c omega a. This is c omega a. And 180 degree to that will be SA. So guys, you are answering about C and D. C is C omega A, D is SA. So damping and spring force. B is correct, guys. This is the force of inertia which is making phi angle. So this time many of you are wrong, I feel. Sorry, it should be D, not B, because C is damping force and D is spring force. D is correct. Yes, fine guys. Naman, your answer is not correct. Sorry dear. Answer will be D, neither A nor B, because C is C omega A, damping force. D is spring force, means elastic force. So they are asking respectively. Now if respectively word is not there, then B is correct. Yes, Naman, now you have answered it correctly. So guys, please like this session and also share it with your friends. So this is the next question. Fine guys. Logarithmic decremental of a damped single degree of freedom system is delta. If the stiffness of the spring is doubled, mass is made half, then logarithmic decrement of the new system will be equals to. Yes guys. Okay. Neha is saying C. So you know logarithmic decremental ratio is 2 pi zeta 1 minus zeta square. So stiffness of the spring is doubled. S is becoming 2s. Mass is made half. You know zeta is equals to C upon 2 root Sm. The product of Sm will remain the same, so zeta will remain the same, so delta will remain the same. C is the answer. C is the answer, guys. Yes. Ramji, you are correct. All others are not correct except Neha, Parth. This question. 4x double dot 9x dot plus 16x barabar 0. The equation of motion for a single degree of freedom system, the damping ratio zeta will be. You know that guys, mx double dot plus cx dot plus sx will equals to 0. C is 2 zeta omega n. omega n is root of s by n. M is 4, S is 16, C is 9. Just use this. C is 9. 2 zeta omega n will be 16 by 4. It is 2. Zeta is 9 by 4. Sorry, I feel I have done some mistake. You need to find out the damping ratio of the system. Yes guys, yes. So C is 9. This is 16. S is 16. So it is S by M is omega n. Yes, 9 by 4 it will be coming now. Yes. So Venkatesh, Parth, how you get 0.5625? Yes, let us see who have done the mistake. This is the equation na, mx double dot plus 2 zeta omega n x dot. No, basically 2 zeta omega n is C by M. Yes, that's what I wanted to tell you. Because it is a NAT, so it is fine. But when it is objective question, student, mark it 9 by 4. That is the major mistake, guys. And I wanted to tell you that mistake. 2 zeta omega n is C by M. Is it fine? Yes. Now you are correct. So answer is 0.56. It's fine. Yes guys, very nice. So sorry, actually I wanted to tell you what mistake student make here. Okay. Let us move further. C by M. Yes, fine. Okay guys. Okay, I am moving to next question because this is again a numerical which is lengthy. So I am coming to the exam level question first. Then I will be coming to these questions. Yes. This is OA 3 centimeter, AB 5 centimeter, BC 6 centimeter, OC 7 centimeter. Which kind of mechanism it is? Yes, Parth. Intentionally I have given that question. I was knowing that majority of you will make mistake. But very less of us have made mistake. 80% students have given the right answer only. That is the wonderful thing. Yes guys. OA is 3, AB is 5, BC is 6 and OC is 7. So apply the Gradeup law. First of all, check Gradeup law is valid or not. It is S plus L is less than equals to P plus Q. Shortest link is 3, longest link is 7. It is less than equals to 5 plus 6. Yes, Gradeup law is valid. Now if shortest link is fixed, it is double crank. But shortest link is not fixed, it is at input. So it will be crank rocker mechanism. C is the correct answer. Very nice guys, all of you have given the correct answer. Very, very nice. It means your preparations are going on a wonderful way and you are on the right track. First, best thing is that question 80% of you have given right answer. That I was expecting 80% to be wrong in that. Yes guys, wonderfully you are going. Only 2 to 3 questions are left guys for this session. Tom will be over for today. Tomorrow we are having machine design session for 1 hour. We will be having machine design question and guys you will be learning a lot more tomorrow from machine design. And one by one we are covering all the subjects guys for your preparation. Now this kind of questions can come in terms of options. So it will become objective. This type of question you can expect in all the examinations. Yes guys, all of you are correct. Now answer this question. Jurez, Sarvan, Kanan, all of you are correct. Sorry if I forget to take the name of any of the student. Sometimes you guys are answering together many number. Fine guys. This question now. So you know this is link number 1, link number 2, link number 3 and link number 4. This point is I12. This point is I23. This point is I34. This point is I14. Applying Kennedy's theorem, this will become I13. So guys, you know that velocity of B can also be written as BE into omega BC, and it is already given as 0.5 meter per second, and BE is 0.25. It is 0.5. Okay, 1. Then VC can be written as CE into omega BC, and VC you need to find out. So guys, you can take the ratio and you can find out the value. VC by VB, CE omega BC by BE omega BC. Omega BC cancel out. VC will be 0.1 by 0.25 into 0.5. 0.2 meter per second. So guys, answer will be 0.2 meter per second. Yes, fine guys. Very nice guys. Very nice. Okay. This last question guys. Sorry Kanan, your answer was wrong in the previous question. I feel now you got the correct answer, all of you. Neha, Ramesh Mohan, Ramji, later on I have given the right answer. Last question for today. This is guys. A simplified turning moment diagram for 4-stroke engine is shown in the figure. The mean torque is 10. Estimated peak torque will be. Yes. Good guys. Very nice. Very nice Shubham. You need to do one thing guys. You need to equate the area of this triangle with the area of this rectangle. Area of triangle is half into 80 into pi. Sorry, TP into pi is equals to TM into 4 pi. TM is 10. It will give you TP to be 80 Newton meter. Very nice guys. So thanks for joining guys. Actually I would like to say, and this is completion of Tom. Now I would like to tell you guys, there are some batches going on at Gear Up. First of all, I would like to say just join at Gear Up at Gradeup app, because when you are talking about Gradeup app, every day 4 to 5 series are going for free for all the students. You can join it. It is going for 2022 and 2021. And guys, if you are going to, yes, tomorrow's session will be on YouTube only. Yes, 80 is correct answer. Yes, Harsh, it's fine. So as I said guys, Vision 2022 batch is going on for ESC and GATE 2022. These are the features: 950 plus hours, 8000 plus practice question, 100 plus mock test, 120 plus chapter wise study notes. Guys, 950 hours of online live classes are equivalent to around 1500 hours of offline class. So you can just feel the level we are going to touch in this batch. And guys, you can see the best thing about Gradeup is whenever some batch is launched, all these materials are already prepared. We are providing you the workbooks also. At the workbook will be in the form of printed format. As well as guys, there is a test series which will be available for all the papers, like Vizag is there, BARC is there, ISRO is there, DRDO is there. For every exam, different test series will be provided to you. And every day after every 2 hours lecture, there will be a quiz provided to you, so that you can see whatever you have learned, you are going to apply or not. Are you able to apply these knowledge or not? Yes. And guys, after that I would like to tell you that paper 1, ESC paper 1 will also be included in this batch. So everything is included. And now on Gradeup, many batches are going on. If you are taking the subscription, you can join any number of batches. It will be on you guys. Okay. If you want to join Gear Up also, Rank Up also, you can join. Rank Up is for practice. Okay, means multiple batches at the same time in the same subscription you can have. This is the contact number if you want to have contact. Guys, this is the faculty team. If you want to test, come on Gradeup app. Follow me there. You can see free lectures available from all of the faculties. By looking at those lectures, you can make your mind of joining, so that you can feel how the faculties are teaching, the level they are touching. These are our results guys for 2020, 18-19 also it is mentioned. And these are the features of Gradeup. First of all, structured live classes we are providing, and doubt resolution is provided within 24 hours if you ask, after completion of the subjects also. And guys, we will be covering the syllabus for all the examinations. Okay, so these are the extra features you can see about the test series. So goodbye guys for this session. Thanks for joining me. Tomorrow once again join me at 7 p.m. for machine design session of such question which will help you in Vizag paper. Goodbye guys for this session. Thanks for joining once again. Goodbye.